How to use AI Sonic for content writing. If you want to use the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to create the content writing on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the AI Sonic application just like this. After opening it, you will simply find something like this on your home screen. Now to create content writing, simply enter the title or keywords of your article just like this. Tap on it and type the title just like this and tap on to done, and you need to simply choose the length just like this, and you can simply add your output language. Now type English or the language you would like to add. You can also type the tone, which can be something like this right here. So tap on to one and simply tap on to generate. And now you can see it has simply write and created the content writing right here. And that's it. This is how you can use AI Sonic for content writing. Now do the same process for other topics as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.